In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on YouGov and also place withdrawal on YouGov. If you're coming to this channel for the first time, my name is Joaking. So what I do on this channel is that I show you different ways which you can earn money online, and in return, all I ask is to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on post notification bell so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content on this channel. So now, to sign up on YouGov, the first thing you want to do is to go to your browser and search for YouGov. So once you search for YouGov, you come over here and you click on YouGov. So you have to come over to sign up and click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, you sign up as a member, not as a business. So you sign up as a member. So once you click on sign up as a member, it takes you to this page. So what you need to do right now is to click on start. So now when you click on start, is to click on next. Then at this place you have to input your year of birth, then select if female or male, then put in your postal code, your email address, and also your next. So over here they will be sending you a code to your email address, so you have to go back to your email. You have to go back to your email address, then you come over here and copy the code, then paste the code over here. Then the next thing is to submit. So once you submit that, you can see your account has been created successfully. So you can now go back to your account. So you can agree. Over here you can see that you've been given 50 points to continue your earnings on your account. So when you accumulate 5,000 points, you'll be getting £50 for withdrawal. Okay, so now let me show you how you can withdraw on YouGov. First of all, you come to your rewards. Once you click on rewards, you can see you have available options down here that you can use to redeem your reward through gift cards and different platforms. So you can also transfer straight to your bank account. So this is how you can place a withdrawal on YouGov. Very straightforward. Just go over to your rewards and come over to claim your reward. You just need to click on see reward, and you can see over this place you're still accumulating points. Then you click on redeem once you have gotten to the particular points of 5,000. So once you have gotten up to 5,000 points, you can come over here to claim your reward through all these gift cards. You just have to click on reward and redeem your points. So that's how to withdraw on YouGov. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on post notification.